Hello everyone, welcome to Coofix Working Room. This is Jenny from COOFIXTOOLS. Today I will introduce Coofix Industrial Rotary Hammer. Number is CF-RH005 to you. Okay, let's start. Firstly, this package is BMC box. Firstly, you can see here we have 8 languages. The drill capacity is 26 and the power is 815 watts. No load speed is 0 to 900. And the rotary hammer are milling used on concrete floors, brick walls, and stone. And we have 4 of stock can ready to ship. If you like our video, you can give us a like and leave comments. Thank you. Bye.